Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Friday, June 17. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT. Now for today we are going to look at the chart of Russell, right? Russell 2000 60 minutes chart. We can see we ended with X here. That means we are now within with Y to the downside, and within with Y we subdivide into an ABC, a zigzag, right? In which we probably finish the A already here, right? You can see this one looks impulsive, 1 2 3 4 5 with a divergence so far, right? You can see the divergence in the momentum. So now looking for a 3-ish rally to correct this 5 ways down. As long as we stay below 1920, we should be looking for the downside. Alright, it's very simple. Below 1920, more downside. Now again, if what could be in the alternate? Well, the alternate could be that this A and B ended here. Now if that's the case, then the rally is just a minimal rally. We continue to go down and we will not break above this peak. Alright, if this is in fact your A and B, we go down rather aggressively. Now this is the less aggressive actually, in which we can see a little bit bigger bounce, bigger rally first before it goes down. Now whether you call it like this or whether you call it like this, the end result is still the same, more downside as long as we don't violate 1920. Okay, so now let's zoom out and look at the daily time frame. Russell is probably one of the best index right now structure wise to check what's going on with the overall market. Okay, so we got from the peak here in the Russell in last year, we got this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 swing. We can call this okay, let's put it here, the X. If this is my X, the W has to be here. Alright, so then the starting point of the W has to be here, right? So this means we are treating this as a double three, right? Double three. So this could be ABC, ending a W, right? So it's a bigger double three for Russell like this, right? And this is your X. So that's the starting point is like this. Now that means now this is a flat here, ABC flat. So you can see if you throw a trend line channel from there, it breaks. So a lot of people maybe try to label this 1 2 3 4 5. It's not, right? I mean, that's why you got it wrong if you think this is 1 2 3 4 5 and then you think it's gonna rally bigger. You can see it actually makes new low, right? Because this is not with 4, it breaks the channel, and a lot of people do not look at the channel when they are labeling, right? And right here, what that means then simply is if you want to check what the target is, there you go. This is the minimum. The bare minimum target is 1570. We can of course go all the way down because the range is big. Plus we got your own internal lower low as well here from this peak. So if you measure it from here, your 100% is 1485. So I would say between 1485 and this level is my target on the downside, right? 1485 to 1217 is a reasonable target on the downside, and as a result any rally should fail in 3711 swing for more downside. Again, the alternate being either we do a larger 3-ish rally first before going down, or else this could be your A and a B, and then rally fail below this and then continue to go down again. Okay, So that's the update for today, and as always, if you do want to get regular updates on indices, Forex commodities, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.